Hey besties, how is everybody doing? I hope you guys are having an amazing week. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to 5 Instagrammers who are just like producing that skating content that we all need. Of course, these are all females because you know we're all about that female empowerment here on our channel. If you're excited and you love skating, there's a ladybug in my ring light and it keeps jumping. I guess because the light is so hot. Hold on, I don't know where it went, but that was like, all right, sorry about that, you guys. So if you're new to the skating community or you've been skating for a while and looking for some cool people to follow on Instagram, then go ahead and
1, 2, 3.
All right, I've broken them down into 3 major categories. They are motivational, inspirational, and just the girls that you want to be like besties with. So let's start off with the motivational girl. The Instagram account that gives me the most motivation is at Roller Bunny with an I. She's a new skater. She just started skating in June. The ladybug was on my shirt. I'm so sorry, you guys. Let's start this all over. All right, so yeah, I was talking about Roller Buddy. She motivates me. The reason why is because this girl goes out skating almost like every day. Every day she's banging out quality content, and that just keeps me motivated to go out and skate. I'll skate every day, more like once every 3 days, but every time I see her video, I'm like, ugh. Like, I'll be in the kitchen cooking, I'll see one of her clips, and I'm like, you know what? I'm about to go ahead and skate while I'm cooking. That's what I consider a motivational account, is somebody who makes you want to go out and skate every day, or somebody who produces good content to help you skate. She does a great job at that. And especially for somebody who just started skating in June, she has great videos. She does great tricks. She's so daring. She typically skates outside, but she also has videos of in the skating rink. She has a few videos, I think, at skating parks as well. She's a pretty cool chick. Like, I like her a lot. That's a good account. Make sure you guys follow her. So the second category that we have is inspirational. Now, these are the girls that you want to be like. Like, these are the girls that it's like, one day when I get like that, oh, I'm gonna get like that, you know? Like, these are those girls. So the first one that I have is like the crowd favorite. Everybody knows her, everybody loves her. It's Anna Octo on Instagram. Now, I do know Anna has a TikTok video, and that's kind of how she became like this cool skater girl viral sensation. The amazing skater that she is she put out a TikTok dancing to Sweetie's Tap In. Sweetie heard about it, reposted her, and everybody's loved her ever since. She was even in Dua Lipa featuring the Babies Levitating video. She was one of the girls that were skating in that video as well. And Anna is beautiful girl, amazing skater. She does a lot of street dancing skating to like trendy songs and things like that. So she's somebody that if you are looking to really get into skating, like, you want to be like her. You want to get booked on the music videos. You want to get reposted from Sweetie. Like, that's your girl. She's amazing. She's fun. She's friendly. She's interactive with the people that follow her. So that's great. So she's a great person to follow as far as just, you know, giving you some inspiration of what you could be if you stick to skating. Now, my second girl for my inspirational category, third girl for the whole list of 5 that I have, Lit Fit Vegan. Now, this girl lives out in San Diego, California. She is amazing. Like, when I show you guys you'll see it right here. Like, she is killing it out there. I promise you, she's doing great. She does a lot of like groove skating, a lot of like footwork, a lot of leg movement. She's a street skater. Her footwork is amazing. The way she skates and make you think like it's almost like she's gliding. It's like somebody else is controlling the skate, and the skate is just sucked down to grab you. There's no way she's gonna tip over. This girl is so good, and it's so beautiful to watch her. And it's almost mesmerizing. It's so inspirational because the way she's able to balance and her manuals is so beautiful. It might sound like I'm just gassing these girls, but when I tell you these are amazing women, These are genuinely amazing women, and I love following their Instagram accounts. Now, she doesn't do tutorials, but if you just want to watch the footwork, oh, she's the one that you want to follow for good footwork. Oh, and a great thing about her as well is she has a lot of skate friends. So she does a lot of like TikTok dances on skates, and she has a lot of friends that she'll grab as well into her videos. So that just makes it more inspirational and more like entertaining. You know, it's something that you would really want to watch. These are my two girls that I have for my motivational category. And now let's go into the virtual friends. These are the girls that you just want to be friends with, and it's like, this is my bestie. Like, she doesn't know it, but that's my girl. So my first virtual skating BFF is Janae Lewis. Now, she just started skating, I want to say back in May of 2020. I might be wrong, but she's a fairly new skater, and she currently lives in, I think, like Denver, Colorado. The reason why I say she's like a virtual BFF is because she's interactive on her stories. So any skating questions that you might have, she will answer it for you. She's good at responding to like DMs. She's somebody who will respond faster than the people with higher accounts, and she has just the same amount of knowledge. She's just so cool. Like, she's cute, she's funny. She also does a lot of at-home dancing, like TikToks and Reels. I love watching her. She's one of the people, I think she might have been like the second person that I started following who skates on Instagram, and she's really good. She does some park skating as well, so she does skating at parks. She makes a lot of skating videos. She doesn't have tutorials because, according to her words, not mine, she doesn't think that she's at that point to do tutorials. But personally, I think that girl is way beyond the point of doing tutorials. She needs to go ahead and put us all on, but she'll do it whenever she's ready, so whatever. But that is my virtual Instagram skating BFF. Now, the second one that I have, Disco Skater _ tell you guys about this girl. She lives in Atlanta, which is one of the main reasons why I follow her, because I'll see that she's skating somewhere, and then I'll comment and I'm like, hey, you know, hey girl, where you skating at? Tag it, let me know, because I want to skate there too. And she'll just respond. She'll say, okay, here's where I'm at, or she'll already have it tagged. So it gives me ideas of places to skate here around Atlanta. I learned about skating places from her, so that's one reason why I like her. Another major reason why I follow her is because her page is a whole vibe. Like, when I tell you guys, the music that she puts with her skating content is so chill, so relaxed. It just gives you like a nice little calming vibe. So that's why I love it. Her style of skating mirrors my style of skating. Yeah, I'm crazy, but I feel like everybody has an Instagram or a TikTok BFF. People that you don't know, but you know, it's your girl, or like you just kind of are interested in their lives, but you don't know them personally. Yeah, Janae Lewis and Disco Skater _ those are my skating virtual BFFs. So yeah, those are my top 5 Instagram skating accounts that I love to follow, and I hope you guys follow these accounts as well. All of these girls are individually amazing in their own way, and they're all super uniquely different, which is why I like following each one of them. They all give great inspiration and motivation. If you guys have any Instagram skating accounts that you follow that you think that I will like, make sure you comment down below, because I'm looking for more accounts to follow. Love to support women and men, whoever has great skating content that I can learn from or that can inspire me. We can just keep this whole skating community going. And before I leave, don't forget to make sure you guys subscribe down below and hit that like button if you would like to see more skating content. And I will see you guys in my next video.